Good morning, friends. Praveen Bandari, business branding specialist. As an entrepreneur, I'm kind of obsessed with thought of entrepreneurship because being an entrepreneur for so many years, and at the same time, my the type of business I'm into and the kind of goals that I have in my life revolves around entrepreneurs. So whatever video I make or whatever content I develop will always be something keeping entrepreneurs in mind. Likewise, today in this particular video, I want to talk about one particular thing which where we all, as an entrepreneur, all of us sometimes sit and wonder, like, am I moving forward in my business or in my career, or I'm just stuck at one place? Yeah, so this is something I would like to kind of address today. And to start with, let me tell you something. Like, this kind of question normally comes when you feel like you're doing so much. You're putting all that hours you put. You're running around all the places. You're yourself doing operations. You're involved in accounts. You're doing all the firefighting possibilities. If not, again you're doing a lot of investment, a lot of venture capital. Anything or whatever you are doing, some point you find this question coming to your mind: am I moving forward? Let's see how exactly this works. To understand this, let me create an hypothetical situation where we could see how exactly we could connect ourselves with our thoughts and how to see ourselves whether we are moving forward or not. Let's take an example of a ship or a small boat in which you are sitting and you are trying to move forward. Okay, and your boat is running against the water flow. Okay, running against the water flow. This is, as I said, analogy or a hypothetical situation where I'm creating. So water is coming from the front and you are moving the opposite direction of the water, and you're continuously pedaling. Okay, you're doing so much, you're putting all the hard work which is required. When you're looking at the water, which is your business, when you're looking at the water, you are feeling that yes, I'm moving forward, you're getting excited and you're doing faster and faster. But when you see at the shore, when you see the sides, when you take off your mind from the business and look from a different perspective, you realize I'm still at the same position, not moving forward. Suddenly you wonder what's going wrong, why I'm not able to moving forward. This is something I would say heartbreaking to see. The simplest way to get rid of this situation is, what you could do is shoot an arrow to the shore somewhere long, like say as far as you could. Shoot an arrow to the shore somewhere in the corner. Okay, in front of you somewhere in the corner, shoot an arrow with the rope. Let that arrow, where it get into the ground, consider that as your goal. Okay, and this rope is the direction in which you need to go. Understood? So you need to have a goal, you need to have a direction, which is rope. You have the other end in your hand while you are sitting in this boat. Okay. So now what you will be doing? You have a clear goal that I have to reach this by this time. You have to set time. The SMART goal concept you must be knowing already, or you can Google it out. SMART, SMART goal. What is that? So you can Google that out. So when you are setting this goal and when you want to reach that goal and you are seeing around you that this is what is happening, now that goal will help you to move forward. How? You are pedaling. In between, you will take one or two steps with the rope forward, because continuously if you only stick to the rope, you won't be able to move forward because you will stuck in that situation. You won't be able, because you need a lot of energy to go to the goal or the direction. So what you will be doing is, you are managing whatever requires to be done at that present moment, and one or two steps every time. Whenever you can breathe, whenever you can, slightly comfort yourself, if you take 2 steps with that rope, then again you pedal, 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 take next 2 steps. I hope you're able to make out what I'm trying to say here. So this goal, that rope is the direction in which you want to go, and this is the business where you're in, you're pedaling, you're doing all the things that is required to do, but you're not able to see, you're moving forward, then this rope will guide you to reach towards you. Day-to-day life, day-to-day business life, what you will be doing is every day you will be spending certain hours in going towards your direction, moving towards your direction, whatever your goal must be. You must be having any kind of goal. So make sure you have certain steps moving every day. By doing this, you will make sure that you are not just stuck in one place and just pedaling. You're actually moving forward. This is something which I wanted to share with you. I hope this analogy or this description which I have given shared with you would help you to understand your potential and set your goal in the right direction and move in the right direction and keep forwarding in your life. Thank you so much, guys. Once again, I'll come up with my next video as soon as possible. Maybe today is what? Today is Tuesday. So maybe Thursday I'll be coming up with a new video with a new topic which will be definitely more exciting than this one. Till the time, thank you so much. Signing off, Ravi Bhandari.